Cowhead. The Cowhead story or Gozu is a Japanese urban legend about a scary story that is considered the scariest horror story ever written. It is supposed to be so terrifying that you will die of fright after hearing it. According to legend, a horrific short story called Cowhead was discovered in Japan in the 17th century. The actual origin of the story is still shrouded in mystery. Several written accounts from this era make reference to the awful story, but they only mention its title and describe it as a tale too terrible to tell. Rumors state that upon hearing the dreadful tale, listeners are overcome with a terror so great that they trembled violently for days until they finally died from fright. The Cowhead story was deemed too dangerous, and most existing copies of it were burned years ago. The few copies that survived were cut into sections and distributed across the country. Today it is believed that only fragments of the original story remain in existence. Most of the actual details of the story remain unknown to this day. The unfortunate people who read the story never lived long enough to repeat it. One recent rumor tells of an elementary school teacher who inexplicably came into possession of some of the fragments of the original Cowhead story. According to the rumor, the teacher was taking his class on a school trip. He was in the habit of entertaining the students on the bus with ghost stories. The students, who tended to become unruly on long trips, grew remarkably subdued as they listened to the teacher's horrific tales. Many of them seemed truly frightened. After some time, the teacher announced he would tell them the legendary forbidden tale called Cowhead. Before he could finish the first sentence of the story, however, the children began to panic. "Stop," they cried. "Don't tell us." One child turned pale and covered his ears, and the others began to scream. But the teacher refused to stop. They say his eyes went blank and he proceeded with the story as if some unseen force had taken over his mind. Almost an hour later, the teacher regained his senses and found that the bus had crashed into a ditch. The students had all fainted and were frothing at the mouth. The bus driver lay slumped over the wheel, sweating and shivering. It is unclear what happened next, except that the teacher never told the Cowhead story again. In a website called Scary for Kids, a viewer wrote, "I was looking online when I heard of a story called Cowhead. This story is supposed to be so scary, people have died from fright having read it. I have searched and searched, but all I have found are cases in which the story is told." Apparently, a school teacher told his students the story, and they passed out. I don't easily get scared, and I really want to know the actual story. Thanks. Scary for Kids says, "You won't find the Cowhead story on the internet, especially not in English. But I have read a summary of the first part in Japanese. From what I could understand, the story starts out something like this. There is a little deserted village in the middle of nowhere, and archaeologists are digging to find out why nobody lives there. They unearth a weird skeleton with the head of a cow and the body of a man. They do research and find out that years before there was a famine. The story then flashes back to the time of famine. Everybody in the village is starving. They eat all the cows and horses. Then they start on the pets, dogs and cats, etc. Then there is nothing left, and people are dying from lack of food. One day, a strange figure wanders into the village. He has the head of a cow and the body of a man. He is the Cowhead or Gozu in the picture. The starving villagers attack him, brutally kill him, ripping him limb from limb and eat him. That's when the villagers became cursed and all hell breaks loose. And that's where the Japanese summary I read ended. The rest is lost to history. I don't think the rest of the story exists anymore. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and comment your thoughts about this video.